What's up everybody, it's Sean here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my latest pickup, which is actually a really old shoe. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low Pro in the Kermit the Frog colorway. I picked up this pair yesterday from a friend, but this pair originally dropped back in 2004. To me, when I first started collecting shoes, this was one of those dunks that I really wanted, but I just never was able to grab. And then eventually as time passed, it became harder and harder to find pairs of this shoe, especially in very good condition. So when my friend put them up for sale yesterday, it was a no-brainer and I jumped straight at that chance. The official colorway for this shoe is Midnight Fog, white, black, and alt green. And I also want to show you guys the box. For those of you guys who have been buying shoes for a while, you'll definitely recognize this box. So I guess you can call this an old school Nike box with this split look with orange on the left and this natural cardboard finish on the right. And then you can see on the front we have the label, so Nike Dunk Low Pro with style number 624044003. So jumping back to the shoes, this is your classic Nike Dunk Low. And the color scheme and the materials of this shoe are inspired by Kermit the Frog. Starting things off with the toe box, we have this padded fleece-like material, which is done in this alt green finish. This of course resembles the material and the look of Kermit the Frog's skin. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this Midnight Fog colored suede, which feels very nice in hand. This suede covers the majority of the sides of the shoe, and then stitched on top of this on both sides of the sneaker, we have a black colored leather swoosh. So the suede wraps around the back heel, and above this, we have that same green colored material that was found in the toe box, and it's finished off with this patch of black leather at the very top, with the Nike word mark stamped on in white. In terms of laces, so these come standard with a flat black style lace, but I swapped those out in place of SB laces, which in my opinion at least, gives it a better look. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue, which is lined in that same fleece material that was found on the toe box, and the outer edge of the tongue is lined in this white suede. Finishing this all off, we have a red nylon tag, which is Nike branding embroidered in navy blue and white. The interior of these Dunk Lows is lined in this white leather, which gives it a very nice luxurious finish. And then taking out the insoles, these come with your standard Nike insole with the Nike branding stamped on the heel in this alt green color. The upper of these Dunk Lows sits atop this all white solid midsole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Dunk outsole. This is entirely done in rubber. We have the circular pivot point on the forefoot and Nike branding right in the center. In terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I'd say that these fit true to size. I got these in a size 10, they fit me perfectly, and for me there was no need to size up or size down. For comparison's sake, for most Dunk Low SBs I have to go up a half size, but for these guys, we don't have that same padded tongue and they fit much more true to size. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, this Dunk Low silhouette is not the most comfortable silhouette out there. You will feel very flat to the ground and very stable, but in terms of a cushioning and softness standpoint, there's not much to it. However, it's still going to be fine for just an everyday casual use sneaker. Just don't expect too much from a comfort perspective. Finally, in terms of the quality of this shoe, I was actually pleasantly surprised. All the materials they used felt decently premium, and for a shoe that's about 16 years old, it's holding up perfectly, and to me at least, overall it just feels very well made. With all that being said, let's lace up these Kermit the Frog Dunk Lows and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. It's crazy to think that starting out buying sneakers back in the mid-2000s, I've always wanted to grab a pair of these, but because of bad timing and other things like that, I was just never able to grab these. But I guess things come full circle, and then here we are in 2020, finally I have these in my collection. So let me know in the comments section down below what you guys think of these Kermit the Frog Dunk Lows. Whether you're a Muppets fan or not, I'm curious to know your thoughts about this shoe, both the colors and the materials. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.